In this video, we will learn how to install PUBG Lite on PC on Windows. So let's begin. PUBG Lite on PC, just go and open your browser. Here searching for PUBG Lite, download. Here we have, just go and search it for on Google. And here we have website with the lite.pubg.com/download. Just go and open it. And here we have the website. So you can read out the minimum system requirements and just make sure that you have these requirements. Once you scroll down below, before installing this PUBG Lite, you need to make sure that you install these three softwares. So in case if you do not know how to install these three software, I would paste the link in the description in which all these softwares are installed along with the PUBG Lite. So you can just go and click on that and see how to install these three softwares. Make sure you install these three softwares before installing the PUBG Lite down. So once you have installed those softwares, just go and click on this download button. And here it will install the PUBG Lite, that is around 65 MB. So just go and download it. In my case, I have already downloaded it, so I would cancel this and I would go to my downloads. Here we have under the downloads, go to the program, and here we have the my downloads. You can see the PUBG Lite. Just go and open it. Click on OK. Next, accept the agreement, click on next. Next, create a shortcut and install it. So it would take a small bit of time. Just go and wait for that thing to complete. In any case, it might install some additional softwares. Just go and allow those softwares to install. Here we have, and just go and click on finish and the thing would start. In many of the cases, when you first start the PUBG Lite, it might give some error. So just go and ignore that error and try to relaunch your PUBG Lite. Trying 2 to 3 times, it would not give error after that. So just go and try it out if you are getting the error. In my case, probably there is no error, so it would directly start. Here it is. So here we have PUBG Lite application on PC. If you already have an account on PUBG, so just go and enter your email or password, and if you have made that account with Facebook, just go and click on continue with Facebook and just go and allow it. In case if you do not have a PUBG account, so just go and click on continue on Facebook, or you can click on I don't have an account. In my case, I would be making my account with the Facebook. That is a pretty easy method. So click on continue with Facebook and here enter your email and password. So enter both the things. So these are email and password of your Facebook account. Enter them and click on login. So here enter your date of birth, and here just go and select your year, and here select tick on this I have read and accepted it. So click on create my account. So here it is. So the PUBG account has been made and we are being redirected to the PUBG Lite. So here we are. So here what you have to do is just go and click on install, and it will start downloading and installing the PUBG Lite. So here just go, and it will be all depending upon your internet connection. Wait for it and the process will be automatically complete without any hesitation. So just go and allow it and wait for it. And so hope it has helped you in installing the PUBG Lite on your PC. So but before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.